Squealing, what's good? Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. If you guys are new here, my name is Santos. If you guys are returning subscribers, what's good, fam? Thank you guys for the continued support and welcome back to another video. So, if you guys are looking to level up your skincare routine, you definitely clicked on the right video. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a spa-like facial at home. I do want to start this video with a disclaimer. I am very much aware that all of the products in today's video are high-end. You guys know that I always keep it 100, and you guys know that every single video is pretty much techniques and formula. I always tell you guys to make sure that you take what you need to take from the video and make it your own. So, for example, if you guys like any of the skincare products in today's video, you guys can purchase it and level up your own skincare. Maybe you're missing a step. Maybe you've been looking for better products. This is the video for you to get the knowledge and apply it to your own skincare routine. I also do want to note that I am very much understanding that every single person has their own unique skincare concerns, but there's one skincare concern that we all can attest to, and that is a lack of moisture. So, if you guys are looking to learn how to achieve a deep, penetrating facial that is going to work from the inside out and make sure that the actual moisture in the skin is retaining so that way your skin looks its best on a daily, definitely stay tuned for the tutorial portion of this video. You guys already know, if you guys are enjoying my content, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the Ignitions family if you guys aren't already. Don't forget to spread the word on your new favorite influencer, and without further ado, guys, enjoy the tutorial and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later. What's good, y'all? You guys already know, jumping right into voiceover. So excited to be sharing my updated skincare routine with you guys, so let's jump right into it. So first up is the Dr. Dennis Gross Exfoliating Pads. If you guys have never tried this, let me go ahead and put you guys on. So the first side is pretty much a chemical-based exfoliator. So this is going to go ahead and actively remove stubborn dead skin. It's going to pretty much deeply cleanse your skin, preparing your skin to receive any treatment that you put on top of it. Y'all, this is almost like, think about sanding wood. When you go ahead and have wood that has ridges in it, you take sandpaper to go ahead and smooth it out. So this is kind of the same concept. So you taking this first wipe and really removing all the dead skin, deeply cleansing your skin. As you guys can see here, my skin is already clean, but you guys see that even when I passed the wipe, dirt and debris still came on the wipe. So this is so important to not miss this step, y'all. So I do want to set a timer for 2 minutes so that way those acids can really penetrate into the skin, so it removes all of those stubborn dead skin cells and cleanses my skin. After the 2 minutes is done, we want to go ahead and use the Neutralizer to go ahead and stop those chemicals from burning our skin and going ahead and nourishing our skin, y'all. This is a must for any kind of skincare enthusiast, whether you're beginner or advanced. This is going to change your life. I also want to mention that drinking water is super important because you don't want to only take care of your skin topically, you want to take care of your skin from the inside, and keeping hydrated is the most important thing to reveal beautiful skin. Alright guys, so here is our setup, here is our steamer and the products that we're going to be using in today's video, so let's get right into it. So I did want to show you guys how the steamer performs in real time. Guys, look at how continuous the steam comes out of this steamer. Like, it is perfect, it is consistent, there's no gaps, and this is what's really going to make the difference in your skin, because this mist is continuous and it's going to allow moisture to retain in the skin. So let's jump right into our first product. So we are going to be using the KIehl's Daily Refined Milk Toner. So what I love about this product is that it is so gentle on the skin. It really is calming because of that milk, and what I love is that it really refines skin texture, it visibly smoothens, and it really gives a brighter look to the skin, y'all, and really prepares your skin to receive any kind of treatments on top of it. And I love the way this balances out my skin. Truly truly recommend this for anybody that's looking for a lightly exfoliating or a gentle exfoliating toner. Alright guys, so let's jump right into our second product. We are going to be using the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. So what is an essence, guys? So an essence is a water-based product that contains high levels of active ingredients that immediately restores hydration, plump skin, and softened skin so that it can receive the treatments that you put on top. If you guys are looking to level up, this is what you need, an essence. Alright guys, so let's move on to the treatment portion of this video. So I am going to use the Biosan Squalene and Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. So this is a powerful serum that quickly absorbs into the skin. Guys, it also supports collagen support. So it is going to give me more of a youthful appearance to my skin. And y'all, I love the unique coloring of the serum, and I like that this is not a very runny serum like a lot of the serums that I do own. This one really does target, I feel like, dehydrated skin. It really visibly just smooths and plumps the skin, and I like that it visibly gives me that youthful appearance to my skin. I'm loving the Biosan's product. Alright guys, so jumping right into moisturizer, we are going to use the Biosan Squealing Omega Repair Moisturizer. So this is a deeply hydrating moisturizer that fortifies the skin moisture barriers, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and visibly plumping the skin. As far as the texture is concerned, this did feel like a water cream, just a little bit thicker, which I really like because it's very lightweight. I love how visibly smooth my skin look and the beautiful glow that it leaves behind. What I've been loving about the Biosan system is that my skin hasn't felt dry. Like, my skin is really retaining the moisture, and that speaks for itself and the quality of the ingredients. So shout outs to Biosan. Alright guys, let's lock in all of the treatments and products that we put underneath it. So we are going to go into our Biosan Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil, and y'all, I love this product. The texture of this is like literally, I've never felt anything like this on the market. Y'all, when I tell you, this visibly brightens my skin, firms it, and gives me this beautiful radiance to my skin. It is like no other. It's like literally H2O for the skin. My skin just appears like glass. Oh my gosh, it's such a drink of water for the skin. And if you guys want to take away from this video, other than the steamer, this oil is one for the collection. It's bomb AF. And of course guys, we can't forget our lips, so I am going to be using the Summer Friday Lip Butter Balm. Guys, I love the silkiness and just the conditioning that this product gives. It's a must-have for any kind of parched lips. I also wanted to include my out of the shower fragrance. Anytime I get out the shower, this is what I use. So this is the Skylar Coconut Cove fragrance. Y'all, this smells like coconuts and bergamots and leaves such a fresh scent behind, and I'll be ready for bed or to take on the day, period. I hope this video inspires you guys to take better care of your skins. I hope you guys had some takeaways in this video. If you guys have any comments or concerns, you guys already know, sound off down below, and I will catch you guys in our next one. Later.